Hey, Dan here with Extra Recreational Vehicles, and I'd like to spotlight a product that we've come up with, which is this little start capacitor, and which has this little doodad on here. And it replaces this product right here by a Dometic, and you notice it's got the same little doodad up here, a little bit different shape. Now, at the present time, Dometic doesn't have any of these, and they don't seem to be producing any with the pandemic and everything that's going on. Supply chain is difficult in a lot of areas, so any large company probably is devoting their energy towards the new products and retooling towards that type of thing. This apparatus was on a lot of the older 13,500 BTU air conditioners and the 15,000 BTU heat pump and air conditioners. And the reason why we became interested in supplying a product to replace this is because the older air conditioners, I think, probably have a larger tubing and probably a little better quality as far as longevity, and they stand a chance to being around for quite a while. So I think it's important to be able to have a replacement product for these older air conditioners. Now, most of the time when this thing fails, it's this little doodad right here, and you can easily tell it's burnt or in bad shape. And what's neat about it is our replacement and this older one is the very same diameter. So all you need to do to replace it is to unloosen one screw, slip this one out after you take the wires off, and of course slip this one in. Now, this is a capacitor, and it does hold a static charge. The legal disclaimers would only suggest that a qualified technician install this, but those guys are out installing products like this and don't have time to research this. So now that you found it, you can share that with him and he can install it. Thank you for taking time to watch our video, and here is our part number.